Alright, family, peace and blessings, yo. Hey, look, this is a continuation, fam, to the video from yesterday, right? I went in to take legal matters. I went in to pretty much take care of some legal matters in regards to my children. Like I said, I was dating a woman. I was with a woman for 8 years. I consider the woman to be, like, y'all see my bag in there? It's the jail bag. You see? Just, you know what I'm saying? My shoestring. Look at my shoestring. No shoestring. You see that? No shoestring. No shoestring. Just getting up out that motherfucker. But anyway, family, being the loving father that I am, and you know what I'm saying, just loving myself, I love my children as I love myself. So it's impossible for me to be disconnected from my children. Now, this woman is using everything in the book, you heard me, everything in the book to try to get me to buckle, right? Now, the woman went behind my back, right? Infidelity, some things that I didn't know. When I found out, I decided that I didn't want to deal with the woman, okay? So, the woman find out that I have my own dealings. Like, I'm not with you, you know what I'm saying? I'm dating a new woman, and I got a whole new situation, you heard? So, my thing is, how low can you go? How low can a person go? Like, you think that you know a person, you can be around them, sleep in the bed with them, have intimate conversations with them, and thinking that you know the individual. But, love is not just a saying, it's a showing. It's an attitude, it's an action. And that shit right there ain't love, family. I got kids that's been wanting to see me. Man. They've known me for all their lives. I was there at all of their doctor's appointments as children. I was there when all of them was born. I never missed a beat. You heard? And they you know what I'm saying? There's so many fathers out there that's just kind of doing their own thing, but there's some good fathers too. But for the kids that don't have fathers, what do you say about this situation? You trying to turn a family into a broken family or you trying to, intervene too much in a family that's already a family. Now, if this woman want to go about her business and do her own thing, that's cool. That's what I'm doing. I don't decide to be with the woman. I'm straight. Once I find out you cross me like that, I'm done. I'm done. You heard? Done, fam. So, yeah, man, just taking this long stroll, just reflecting, just thinking about certain things that's important in my life. You heard me? And them babies is important to me. That's me. That's my DNA. All up and down. You know what I'm saying? And I refuse to allow them to grow up and not have the tools to be productive and to poison their minds and their consciousness into thinking that having a father is not necessary. It's a gift, it's a blessing, especially when your family love you, man. So anyway, this woman, she don't understand that karma is real. And I really don't got to do but so much. I'm gonna let it play out. Let the universe decide who is right and who is wrong. But I know for sure I love them babies, man. You heard? Straight like that. I'm over here by the terrace now. Coming down Wilmington Street. Yeah, man, it's my city. I'm just reflecting, fam. That's all it is. Don't even take it personal. Don't even feel no type of way. I'm just reflecting, fam. You heard? It's wild. Yeah, man. Soon, everything will play out the way that it's supposed to. I'm confident. I know that the universe is intelligent. I know that energy is intelligent, and I know that energy reciprocates. Energy reciprocate, fam. Straight like that. See how I came in dressed? I ain't no every day going to jail ass nigga, man. I ain't even touched a jail in at least about 10 years, family. I ain't even touched the jail. Cause that ain't my pattern. You know what I'm saying? I was a family man for 8 years. I loved that woman. You know what I'm saying? I tried to give that woman my all, but she drained me. She drained me for everything I was worth, man. So I got to a point where I just couldn't even deal with the behavior anymore, and I just gave up on the relationship. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got kids with the woman, but that don't mean that I owe that woman my soul. That don't mean that I owe that woman. I've already given, I've already uplifted, I've already taught this woman things. I've already, you know what I'm saying, been there when she needed me at times. But when I needed her, she was never there. Never. It was always about an agenda. You heard? And if it weren't for the babies, I would have left sooner than that. You know what I'm saying? I did love her, but I started noticing certain things, man. Shit ain't adding up. I'm a scientist. Logic is everything, man. Science is a logic. You gotta make sense, make it make sense, family. Putting passcodes on your phone, starting arguments. Nobody got time for that, man. But I'm a stand-up nigga. Anything that I ever said to that woman was true. There was no hidden secret. And if it was, she would have been found out in 8 years. I ain't no more sneaky than she is. I'm just straight up. The fact what she didn't like is that I wasn't hiding. I wasn't playing the melanin games. The melanin games. I don't play no games. It's a grown man, don't play games. That's for little girls, little children. We don't play them type of games. It's about motion, elevation, progression, constant motion, development. And if you ain't doing that, you don't love your children, man. You ain't teaching your children nothing, but you call yourself housing them. It's just a problem waiting to happen. You know what I'm saying? And the children normally reflect the parents. That's another thing why I need to be around my children for a certain amount of time. I need to have my due time with my children, man, because they need a good influence. You know what I'm saying? We do education, we go on nature trails, you know what I'm saying? We do stargazing, and I educate them about the universe. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so I love my babies, man. And the truth is in the pudding, the proof is in the pudding. And the truth gotta come to the light. So that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, family. Already know, man. Taking this long stroll back to the spot. Gotta get up out of here. Can't stay up in that mall. That shit for the birds, man. That shit for the birds. Yeah. Yeah, you goddamn think bird thoughts, you do bird shit, your ass get bird ass results. And that's why motherfuckers ain't nothing. You ain't doing shit. You're not productive in your life. Getting emotional. And you ain't even got the basic necessities down. That's crazy. Wow. Wow, family. I'm just now learning everybody don't think the same, man. Everybody ain't the same. But anyway, if this video resonates with you, all I got to say is just, you know what I'm saying, be as righteous as you can, but be calculative. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's balanced in your dealings, in your relationships, in your life. Make sure it's balanced, man. Any sign of imbalance is a bad sign because it's not a give and take relationship. Most likely, it's a take relationship. And when that happens, you're going to deplete. You're going to get mentally, emotionally, and spiritually drained. And then you're going to stop. You're going to stop wanting to give your all. You're going to run out of energy, family. So you got to get somebody that's going to be able to reciprocate that same energy, that same vibe. So that's what I'm about. I'm about progression. And I'm not trying to have anybody use the system or try to use kids, you know what I'm saying, for their own agenda. That shit low to low. Whoever doing that shit low to low. Word up. Who does that? Come on, man, stop playing. Anyway, karma and dharma. You put out the energy, you receive the energy. For every action, there's an equal to or opposite action for that initial action. It's a chain reaction, family. You can't go around just doing what you want to do. You have to be accountable. And if you're not accountable now, you'll be accountable later on. You'll be accountable later on, family. Gotta move real right. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is just a father that loves his kids, a black educator. I love education, and I'm into African culture, and I just want to shape and mold my children to be the best that they can possibly be, family. That's all. So, for all y'all who don't know me, who see a black man with Bantu knots in the beard and think every black man is a criminal, I ain't even got no criminal record. Cut it out. 32 years old. I ain't even got no criminal record, yo. But I'm being falsely accused. People are making false claims to sabotage my vibration, to sabotage my image, and to slander my name, and try to make me to be them. I'm not you. I'm me. I'm the righteous. You know what I'm saying? And not just saying it, but just for anybody that know me, they know how I move. I put the kids, you know, over my own self, man. I came down here yesterday to try to get some clarity in the situation because the mother refused to allow me to see my children, whom I've co-parented for over 8 years. My children, again, like I said, they don't know what it's like not to have a father. Alright? So, it ain't about you. It ain't about who's right. It's about what's right, family. And me, or the children's mother, or anybody, don't have the right to put themselves over the children's physical, mental, and emotional well-being. So, the kids are the future, man. The youth is the future. Raise these kids up right, man. Raise kings and queens. Start raising vagabonds. You think just because you house them, you doing something? That ain't doing nothing, man.